And welcome back. This is the Storm, and today, what I'm featuring today is a peanut butter and jelly eating challenge in front of me. So this is what I got. Got the Great Values Crunchy and Concord Grape Jelly here. So this is perhaps going to be one of the strangest ideas that I've run into. So, but here's what the plan's gonna be. I'm gonna open this guy up here, and just so we have a combo of interesting flavors, we'll just gonna put some of these into this lovely glass bowl in front of me. And we're just gonna put some in there, and we'll open this guy up too. Also, we're gonna pour this one here too. Just like that. And we're going to mix them up. Just so we have a combo of interesting flavors here. Alright, so I'm just going to finish them all up. Just going to mix them as I go. Got the timer. And without further ado, let's get her going in 3, 2, 1, and let's start eating. Done. Here you go, guys. That's how you take on peanut butter and jelly challenge here. As you see, it's done for the most part. Let's just say the overall experience is it's very disgusting. I don't know. It's just. I think they're meant to be eaten with bread and stuff, but that's how this challenge is conquered. So, please like this video, please subscribe, please comment, and as always, share any future suggestions as I have. And this is the Storm signing out, and I'll talk to y'all next time.